How to set daily time limit on Roblox. So first open Roblox application. Click on this more option. Scroll down and go to settings. Now tap on privacy and content restrictions. Tap on screen time. Now tap on daily limit. So from here you can limit the uses of Roblox application. You can select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour or whichever you want. So it's last up to 23 hours 45 minutes. So you can select anyone from here. So I'm selecting 1 hour. Then click on save. So when you reach the 1 hour, Roblox will tell you that you have reached the limit. Now play tomorrow. So in this way you can set daily limit on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.